Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to resize elements in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to resize elements in Adobe Premiere Pro, you typically have two primary options: resizing the video clip itself or resizing elements within the video like graphics or images. So once you open the Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to go to the elements that you wanted to resize. For example, I have two elements here. One is a video and one is a photo. So I'm going to go to the photo. You see your mouse here. Click the element of photo. Double click on it and you would see the playhead right here. All right, you would notice that there are vertical points on each sides, and all I have to do is drag it to the top to make it bigger, or drag it to the left side to make it bigger, and you can drag it again to this side to make it smaller, depending of course on your preferences. All right, so that's one way. Another option is going to be going to the editing option or the effects control, because if you do that, you would notice you have the scale. All right, if you increase the scale here, you would notice you have the ability to maximize and decrease the size. All right, that same situation applies for the video. For example, I'm going to be clicking the video right here. That's one clip. I have now the option to increase or decrease the size of the video depending on my preferences, right? So that's the easy thing to do when you want to resize any elements here in Adobe Premiere Pro. But if you want to resize the sequence of your project, you just have to go to the sequence right here. Click the sequence settings. What will happen is it would be forwarded to this section. Right now, what I'm using is the 1920 to 1080. If you want to change this aspect ratio, for example, say 1080 to 720, you can also do that resizing. If you click that, what will happen is it will revert to a different size for your canvas now here. It's kind of easy. All right, so these are going to be your options if you want to resize your canvas or the aspect ratio, and of course resizing the elements. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.